Hi everybody, today I'm going to share with you an unboxing so you can see what my new Let It Be mini album pre-cut kit looks like if you order one. Now this is the album itself. It has a chipboard cover here. It has the honeycomb cut out and it's got some chipboard bees. They're double layered and it uses the Graphic 45 Let It Be paper collection. Now I do have a separate flip through video for the album. I will link it in the description box below if you want to check out that flip through. But next what I'm going to do is go through the actual kit itself so you can see what you will get if you choose to purchase one of the pre-cut kits. When you purchase one of my pre-cut mini album kits, everything that you will need is included in the packaging. From the cover to the pages to the decorative papers and the embellishments, everything is included. Now on top you will have an assembly guide. This one is 16 pages, front and back, that will have photos and step-by-step instructions of how to place the album together. In each of these bags, there is a separate element of the album. So starting with the album base, this includes cardstock pieces that are pre-cut and scored, and they are numbered for you to be able to then go ahead and fold on those score lines and assemble the album base using the pieces here and the assembly guide. Once the album base is complete, all of the rest of these pieces will be used to decorate the pages. So each page is individually labeled. So for the front and back side of page 1, the pieces from the decorative collection are in here. They are not sorted from front to back, so you will have to go through and sort the pieces based on the descriptions in the assembly guide. But there's one bag for page 1, one for page 2, 3, and 4. And then we have a separate bag that has all of the cover pieces for the outside and the inside cover. And then here we have a separate bag for the photo mats between the pages. In addition to those, the rest of the kit contains the additional pieces. So in this collection, we have the chipboard laser cut chipboard cover, and then we've got the 2 layers of the chipboard bees that you'll layer together on your own. And then we have the Graphic 45 ephemera and the Graphic 45 stickers here that are used throughout. And then we have the magnets, the brads, and the ribbons to hold the pages closed. And then finally, in the bottom of your box here, you will have the leftover decorative papers. That way, if you wanted to add some additional elements or switch out some papers, you could do so using the paper. Now, there's plenty of paper left over that you could make a lot of cards or other things. You could even make another small project. But this is everything that you will get in the Graphic 45 Let It Be mini album kit that I have designed for you. In addition to the Let It Be album, I do have some add-on chipboard pieces if you would like to embellish your album further or if you're looking for a different project. So first we have the single layer sunflowers. These are yellow chipboard. You'll get 6 of them in the set, 3 different sizes. So these pieces, they are yellow on the one side and then white on the back side. And the 3 different sizes, this one is about 1.8 inches, this one is about 1.5, and this one is about 1.25 inches. If you like the sunflowers but you want a 2-layered look, we have the yellow bottoms and then the black outlines, the same exact size pieces, and they will come like this. So you will just add a little drop of adhesive and then you can apply these together for that double layer look. Now these will be 1/8 of an inch when you add the 2 layers because the chipboard is 1/16 of an inch dimension. And then we have the bees. There are 8 of them on a sheet here. These come in 2 layers. So you've got the yellow layer and the black layer, just like the flower. And I have already gone ahead and adhered this one together. They are white on the back as well. So you have this double layer bee here, and it measures almost 2 inches by about 1 3/4 of an inch. Now this kit is great for beginner mini album creators if you've never created a mini album before, because you can follow step-by-step instructions and create your very own album. And that will help you to see how an album is constructed. That way you can go on and create your own albums. If you are an advanced crafter, you can also purchase this kit. You won't have to measure anything, you won't have to cut anything. You can just go ahead and assemble, and then this album is ready for you to place your photos inside. If you are interested in purchasing one of my pre-cut Let It Be mini album kits, I will have that linked in the description box below. There are only a handful of kits available, so if you are interested in purchasing one, go ahead and click on that link to go to my website. Happy crafting!